In a beautiful forest filled with tall trees, chirping birds, and a sparkling stream lived a little squirrel named Sammy. Sammy was known for his kindness and helpful nature, always ready to lend a paw to his forest friends. One day, a big storm was approaching, causing panic among the animals. They were scared and didn't know what to do. The wise owl Oliver called for a meeting to find a solution. During the meeting, the animals discovered that their path to safety was blocked by a large fallen tree. They needed to find a way to get past it before the storm arrived. Sammy thought for a moment and decided to help. He gathered his friends and came up with a plan. They would collect nuts and twigs to build a bridge over the fallen tree. It wasn't an easy task, but Sammy and his friends worked hard together. They showed incredible courage and teamwork as they gathered materials and constructed the bridge. With each animal contributing in their own way, the bridge slowly took shape. Finally, it was ready, just in time for the animals to cross over to safety as the storm began. The forest animals celebrated their safety and thanked Sammy for his bravery and leadership. As the storm passed and the sun set, Sammy smiled, watching the beautiful sky with his friends. He knew that they had done something wonderful together, proving that even the smallest creatures can achieve great things when they work together. Moral of the story: bravery, teamwork, and kindness can help us overcome any obstacle. If you enjoyed this story, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel, Moral Lessons, for more inspiring stories and valuable lessons. Together, let's spread positivity and wisdom. See you in the next story.